Hello everyone, and welcome to today's Power BI tutorial. In today's session, you'll be diving into a powerful combination of functions that will allow you to perform conditional summing in Power BI, much like the familiar SUMIF function in Excel. Now, in Excel, you might be used to the SUMIF function, where you can specify a range, a criteria, and then sum up the values that meet the specific condition. In Power BI, we achieve that similar outcome by using a combination of a sum function and a filter function. So let's break it down. SUMIF function, this is your typical summing function. It adds up the value in a column or a table. A filter function, this function allows us to filter the data based on a condition. It's like setting up a criteria range in Excel. Now, when we combine these two functions, we can effectively replicate the behavior of a SUMIF in Excel. We'll use sum to add up the values and filter to specify the condition of which we want to perform the sum. This is a very powerful technique that gives you the flexibility to perform conditional sum in your Power BI reports. As we go through our example today, keep this combination in mind and you'll find it to be a valuable tool in your Power BI journey. So let's pause this conversation and dive into my laptop. Okay, so we are now in the Power BI desktop. So we have two tables. One table 1, which contains all the data. Table 2, employee, master data file. So we have table and employee. The data contains all the detailed numbers. The data also contains the revenue, while the table 2 does not have any revenue information. So we would like to sum if the revenue to the database employee. As you can see, the relationship is not existing for both tables. So this is the data table, which contains all the detail, and what we only want is to get the sum of the revenue and place it in one column. So let's start. So what we will be doing is to in the table of employee, so now we will create a column. We'll call it revenue. Then we will place the syntax, which is calculate, and then sum of the revenue. And then we will have the filter function and table name, and the criteria that should be equal to the staff number or staff ID. There you have it, the revenue with the SUMIF function. So hope you learned from this tutorial. Thank you and good day. So we will now place the revenue. Okay.